Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be playing with our fidgets. We're going to be fidget shooting and doing challenges. Yeah. Off of my pocket.
Look like this. Now look at it.
Fidget spinners. We're going to be doing another tree. So now we're going to open this. So we're going to be doing some challenges with some puppets. So like, now you would put your puppet there. So the one that finishes first gets to offer for a treat. Sorry, I win.
Then
I lost.
I'm never gonna do it on the left side.
So now you're gonna have to offer.
Since I won, then I'm gonna add something you have to offer. So I have this and you have to offer it.
Do you like this song? Fidget spinner?
Oh, that's really good.
I really want this one.
Oh my god, I'm gonna accept it.
Accept.
No, I spin
Do
off.
them. Now I can stick them together and feed them with a circle. Yay! This is cool. Now do it like a circle in the other corner.
Yeah, my husband
You
was
stretch it all. Okay. And then I don't know. Now it's a big circle. I can see everything through it. Oh, it's so long.
Challenge to the fidget spinner. So we're gonna spin it like this, and the one that finishes the end first is gonna. The one that's first it loses, and the one that's still spinning wins. So which was you only have one fidget spinner? I have two. I think I should do this one.
I really want to use this one because this one's my only one.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. We want to do one spin.
It's going so rainbowish. I hope one of my pops doesn't pop because
Get your finger off. Why are you saying it on? Oh my god, I'm gonna win.
Who is going
so
I think
slow?
that one's gonna win again because it looks so fast. It's so going so fast. I think.
If mine's totally gonna win.
That one's going pretty fast. Please stop. Please stop.
Yeah, mine's gonna win. Mine's gonna win. Just stop.
Yeah, it's gonna
my
stop.
one.
Yeah, that one clearly won. It's literally stopping.
Okay, so guys, this one is clearly better than that.
So now we're gonna be doing one with our racket track. So the one that does the best thing with them, like, wins to do the last offer. So let's get started.
So yeah, make.
I don't know what to make.
You should have made Snapple.
I'm gonna try to do like something. I know. I think I'm gonna try to do like something that's British. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to do like a small house with it.
Oh my gosh, guys, look what I made.
Or maybe try to do like a car.
I don't know what to decide.
So, okay, I'm gonna need some wheels, but I don't have any. has one wheel.
It broke.
It has one wheel, so I think I could just let it be like a one-wheeler thing.
I'm just gonna make it
Like a tank.
good.
I'm done. I'm done. Let me just do some.
My thing broke again. It's back. Did I put these things up?
All done. Fixed it from the edges. Now I'm all done.
I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait until once you're done.
I'm trying to make my fidget spinner for me a while. I actually have an idea. I'm gonna make.
Okay, now I'm undone my thing.
Tree.
So, are you done your thing?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put on just my pop it. Guys, look, my pot is plastic and it's locked. It's so cool.
So now, he's gonna have to raid our stuff. So yeah.
And if you guys don't know what I made like some couches for some little tiny toys or anything. Maybe put something inside or much a random little thing. So yeah.
I made a plant. It's kind of weird, but it has like a big circle and then like a square under it for like the plant to stand up. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay, they both kind of look bussin'. I'm trying to pick right here, kind of like this bad boy right here. I kind of like this bad boy too. I mean, I ain't trying to lie. I might have to go for them couches.
The couches.
wait, you can't just vote. You gotta wait.
Oh,
So you
wait.
made it
It's a number,
Alright,
like
so
maybe that 3 or that 2,
Alright, so
whatever.
the couch, I rated a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
And the plant, I rated a 2 out of 10. No, I'm just kidding. I rated a 8.5 out of 10. It's just like, it doesn't look like a plant. It looks like a light bulb.
For me,
And this one looks like
that thing looks like
I mean, I don't care if it looks like couches or not.
She won the 3 first rounds, and I won the last round with the puppets at the end. So, yeah.
Yeah, so now we're all done with doing the video of the challenges and training. So, yeah. Bye guys, remember to like, subscribe,
Share and comment.
if you like this video. Bye.